22nd of June 2021. Here's Puijonsarventie 63 in Julkula, one of the suburbs of Kuopio.
65.
Yeah, 65. Northern Savo, Pohjois-Savo, Northern Savo, Lax, Finland. Built in 1993, the same year I was born, but probably late 1993. We'll be 30 years old in 2023, 25 in 2018. The serial number is H677387, and it's also going to be inspected in 2023. The capacity is 4 per 320 grams, not 325 here, but 320.
Oh, right.
Then it has the floor whole green, but it's probably late 1993.
Yeah. I will check the. Yes, it says capacity. 325.
And
so
Roman numbers here, just as in the building system.
Yeah, it's just misprint here. So.
Yeah, or maybe the other one is early 1995. Maybe.
Yeah, it must be 325.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it says on
Yes.
doors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a misprint. It's always been here since 1993.
Yeah.
And I believe this must be late 95 and the other one is early 95.
Yeah. Inspected by Kuopio, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Let's see if that dog is there.
Yeah, it's still.
Ah, yeah.